Hello. So today is day 4 of Vlogmas. We're still going. I just finished washing my hair. Okay, I wash my hair like once a week, like deep wash, like with shampoo and stuff. But like every day or every other day, in order to style my hair, since my hair is so curly, I do what is called a co-wash. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, or you want like a curly hair routine, let me know, because I've been wanting to do one of those for a while, but I just been like putting it off. But yeah, if you want like an in-depth detail on what I do, how I do it, what I use, whatever, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But I wanted to show you guys, hold on, let me go get it. Let me be quiet because the baby's sleeping. So hold on. It's just, hold on. Damn it. Hold on. When you're trying not to make noise is when you make the most noise. Who can relate? Okay, let's go to the room. Excuse the mess you see behind. When you have kids, you can't really keep your house clean, but okay. I wanted to show you guys. So we should have got these to create like a fun, like cute intro for Vlogmas, but I'm thinking of just taking pictures and stuff like that. So let me show you. So we have some holiday pajamas. So there's this one, and that's just basically what they look like. And then here's mine's. And then here's Jacob's. And then here is Caden's. Super cute with little feet. So all we're missing is Jasper's, and Jasper is our dog, if you don't know. Let me show you our dog. So we're just missing his pajamas. Where is he? Oh, here he goes. Say hi. Say hi, boy. Okay, so that is Jasper. So we're just missing his pajamas, and then I'm gonna do like cute like pictures. If I would have thought of this ahead of time, I would have, one, did the Vlogmas intro wearing our pajamas, and two, got like professional family photos, but didn't do that. So maybe next year, if you know Vlogmas goes well and stuff like that, I'll definitely do like family portraits next year. That way Caden is a little bit bigger and he understands more, and then do like a nice like professional, not professional because I'm not gonna hire anybody, but like a proper Vlogmas intro. There we go. My goodness, what's wrong with me? So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these, and then and don't mind my mirror, guys. It's still, yes, what do you want? Okay, go get it. It still has the little protectors on it because we have to like mount it on the wall. But I got that mirror at Walmart for like $60. Super cute, isn't it? I love it. But anyways, I'll show it more in detail some other time. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash these pajamas so we can like wear them tonight, because it's been freezing in Florida, guys. Like, it's been freezing. Like, it gets cold, but it's been like continuously, like day after day after day. So I'm like, what is going on? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash these and then put them on tonight so we could be cute. And then when I do get like the boys, they get their haircuts and stuff like that. Okay. When the boys get like their haircuts and stuff like that, then we will take pictures and possibly record us in our PJs and stuff like that, and I'll show you guys that. I'm gonna go ahead and untangle my hair now. And like I said, if you guys are interested in like a curly hair routine, what products I use and stuff like that, how I maintain my curly hair, then definitely let me know, because I have no problem with filming that for you guys. I just want to know if you're interested, you know? So just let me know down below.
That's why I filmed the Shein video today, and then I have to pack a bag tonight. I have to pack a bag tonight and figure out the situation with the dog. Make sure they have enough food and stuff. Okay. I need to get my lazy ass off this way. Dinner is going. I have about like half of an onion, probably another onion, and then I got like a quarter of a bag of peppers, so I may use some of my little baby peppers also. And then I have peas going in.
I just finished my hair. I'm gonna do like my edges in a few. I'm just gonna let it air dry now. What I'm gonna do now is just kind of tidy up a little bit, and then I have to edit, and then I do want to like clean up Jacob's room a little bit. Right now it's 11:23, so I'm hoping I can get all of that into today's video. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. I'm not gonna show you guys that because I don't want it to just be like music all the time. I feel like I'm doing that enough already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I gotta do, and then I'll pick up the camera in a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so here is breakfast. I did add 3 eggs as you saw, but that's only because I'm gonna give the baby some. But other than that, basically 2 eggs. I like a lot of onions in my eggs, 2 bacon, and a rice cake with almond butter, and then there's just extra pieces for the baby because he's been eating some. So yeah, I'm telling you guys, I get like so caught up in like just life that I truly forget about doing things. So I got a new planner for next year, and I'm really gonna be like consistent. Like, we're writing things down, recording when I need to record, uploading when I need to record, and just going with the flow. So last month I was supposed to film my BOXYCHARM, my November BOXYCHARM. Obviously didn't do it. So I'm just gonna not unbox it because I already looked through it, but I'm just gonna share with you guys what I have inside so I can get rid of this. box. So I have this here. This is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance. Why do I go like... This is the 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. So no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, animal cruelty free, great for sensitive skin. So basically this is just a mask. It says on clean skin for 5 to 10 minutes, gently massage in circular motions with warm water and then rinse clean. So you can use this 3 to 4 times a week. This retails for $45. If you guys are interested in BOXYCHARM, I will go ahead and leave my referral code down below. I don't make nothing off of it. We just get like extra like bonus points, but it's really awesome because you're saving more money than what you would actually spend like if you were to actually like purchase makeup monthly. So I think it's a real good like investment in a way if you're interested in like skincare and beauty products and just trying new things. So the next thing I have here is, this is the Jekka Black Liquid Corrector. So I'm guessing a concealer. And this retails for $15. And this is in the color 2.0. Because, you know, mama needs to cover up these raccoon eyes. So, oh, so it's like a peachy corrector. Oh. Ew. Alright. It squirted out a lot, so I'm just going to... Hold on, let me get a mirror. Okay. So I said concealer, but it's, yeah, definitely a corrector. I'm sorry, the lighting, you guys. Hold on, we're about to go to the bathroom and see. And see what it do, Let's go. Okay, yeah, so it's definitely like peachy. So I would put like some concealer on top. Just a little bit. I don't know if I would pay $15 for this because it really didn't do much for me. Cheaper correctors do the job. Just saying. Yeah, I don't really see a difference, but okay. It was creamy. I guess that counts, right? Wasn't like stiff or anything. Okay, so that's that. The next thing I have here, I actually picked this item. This is the Gimme Brow Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel from Benefit Cosmetics. I've never tried this in my life, so I wanted to give it a try. This retails for $24. No way would I pay $24 for this. I'd rather just use an eyebrow pencil. For this, I wouldn't pay $24, but that's what I'm saying. The good thing about BOXYCHARM is you get to try things that you've never would try, you've never would purchase, you know. So I got the color number 4. The next thing I have, I'm excited for. This is the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum, and this is $62. This is an ultra hydrating serum powered by superfood snow mushrooms to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibility visibly plumper and healthier looking. So again, I'm excited for this because this is a luxury skin product. I wouldn't pay $62 for this, but awesome to have. I love skincare. And then I was pretty excited to get this. This is very expensive. I've never played with anything from Natasha Denona, and this is a $48 palette, you guys. So for 5 of her eyeshadows, you would pay $48. Expensive, right? So I'm excited. I mean, the packaging is like legit. Like, it feels really nice and sturdy for it being, you know, so small. So I'm excited. I think I'm actually gonna do a makeup tutorial with this because these are really beautiful colors. Like, really pretty. So I'm definitely going to create a look with this, and that's it. I just wanted to get it out the way because I wanted to get rid of this box. But yeah, that is my BOXYCHARM for the month of November. For December, I'm actually gonna film it. So yeah, we'll see what we get this month.